Do I need a jetpack? No, I don't need a jetpack.
That would be cool.
It would be cool if you have one. I'll take one. I mean, yeah. Jetpack? You know the dude's badass if he's doing it at 90s. I'm gonna say the same. You got one Hawaii 90s while you're doing it, you're killing it.
He did it, what are they called, balletinas?
Oh my god. That's what I'm talking about. So the guy that did it the first time, I'm having him do the base coating, so he's going to see the floor. Another charcoal?
Do another black and then an aluminum.
Black or charcoal?
Black and then charcoal.
That only needs one black left. That's amazing. I'm super hyped. Thank you, bro. I love it. I'm gonna I want to make a video for myself. My girl's like, "Are you coming home?" I'm like, "I don't know. Not today. Not today." I'm gonna set this off. Love it. I'm super hyped. I can't wait to get this all done. Get in here and paint these walls and put the lights in. We got the lights in the lobby still. It's gonna look sick. I'll probably do one more picture of that. But I'm gonna hate to put the switch tracks down. Shrink the switch tracks down a little bit. They do help with the water. I can't smell anything and I've started to taste it. I don't think that's good for you.